Dylan's rolling up. Let's see this setup. He always comes up with something creative. What is going on, bud? Ooh, those new shocks though. All right, we're out ripping Scrappy. So I got like 22 PSI in the rear tires. It's kind of fun. I know I'm not like making max mile per hour up the mountain or anything. Forgot to drop the air pressure. I was so excited. We got camp all set up. So we got Niz, we got Dylan. Few more people coming. I love this car. This is the small turbo RSK cage, some decent paddles. I gotta say thank you to Caleb. He hooked it up with the paddles and the wheels. Feels so much better with harnesses. So if you don't have a cage and harnesses in your YXZ, it changes the whole car, I promise you. The best part is with the harnesses, you're strapped in that seat and you can drive way harder. Like when you're bouncing around in a regular seatbelt, you let up for a lot of things. Sand conditions are fluffy. There's a crust layer on the very top, but yeah. This is fun. I don't have a GoPro or anything on because I'm just ripping, having a good time. I meant to just go for a little tiny warm-up run and got distracted. Look how good she looks. Tomorrow I gotta go pick up the Comanche and bring it out. Can't put 2 trailers behind the fifth wheel. I don't know, can you pull 3 trailers at a time? Is that legal? I mean, we're already 85 feet plus. So not ideal to add another trailer. Okay, I'm gonna run back to camp and we're gonna finish setting up. Okay, so we got the air pressure all dialed in. We got 10 PSI up front, 9 in the back, and we're gonna go out and test it. I had to throw a zip tie on the old boost controller. On that last trip, she got out of hand and ended up falling down onto the exhaust. A better rip with old Scrappy on actual tire pressure. Now I should set up camp. I'm still not set up yet. I mean, we got some stuff out, but not everything. Well, it's starting to chill out now that the sun's going behind the dune, so time to just cook some dinner. Went and ripped the TRX 90 for a little bit. Got the steaks on the smoker. We're dialed. TRX 90 was pretty fun. I should have took this, but we ended up doing a TikTok live. I think this will be it for tonight. We're already set up. Camp's good. I'll drag you guys along when I go to pick up the Comanche. I'm gonna bring it back out. Then the party really starts. We'll see you guys in the morning. I appreciate you guys watching. Well, good morning, Sand Mountain. We gotta run. We gotta go get the Comanche. I got my coffee. Big truck's been warming up for a little bit. Stoked to get it out here though. Especially on a Thursday. We have plenty of time to ride it. Blah, 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 blah. Big truck. Ooh, she's almost warm in here. This is kind of nice. We're in the truck. We're just cruising. Got the music blaring. Got a little bit of coffee. On our way to get the Comanche. But this sunrise is just... All right, loading the Comanche. Tracer came in clutch with the trailer and the storage. All right, package is secure. We're rolling up. I'm so stoked. I'm so pumped I'm already back. That was a quick trip into town, grabbed the Comanche. I gotta say thank you to Jed for letting me borrow his 16-foot car hauler. This trailer pulls really good. And the Comanche's back there, so let's get to camp. Let's get this thing unloaded. Let's go rip. Need a quick snack. I'm gonna switch these paddles over. Let me show you guys. On the Comanche, to load it on the trailer with these deep dish wheels, I have to run the wheels backwards, and then I flip them outwards, and obviously paddles in the right direction when we go out to the dunes. We'll hurry and flip these around, and we're out. Go test her out. She is wide. These newer wheels are like 1 inch wider on each side than the old setup, so we're gonna go see how she does on the dunes. I don't think she's gonna tip anywhere. Need to drop some air pressure in the rear so I have somewhat of suspension. Parking lot's not looking too bad for a Thursday morning. Alright, we got Holden with the Ford Ranger. You want to race? Holden's beating us, dude. Oh my god! That thing's doing way better than I thought. Whoa, 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 slow down, slow down. Oh, oh no. All right, well, Holden sent it in the Ranger. What'd you think of that?
I think it was pretty sick. Even though it's Ford.
It's a Ranger. They're like not even Fords. They're like in their own class. That truck is honestly sick. Back in the rail, Dylan wants to show me how these new shocks are.
Way better. It's like going from a YXZ to a Maverick R.
Damn, ow.
Alright, maybe a Pro XP.
From a Razor 800 to a Mav R.
Yeah.
1,000 times better. First bumps in. Yeah, she was pretty blown out before, but now she's dialed. just behind the scenes with Dylan over here. Something's gonna happen tonight.